Hi, today in this video you will learn how to create a pop-up on your WordPress website. So you can use this pop-up by displaying a normal message, a normal form like a contact form, or you can create a MailChimp pop-up form from which you can send your data to your MailChimp list. And we will do that absolutely for free just by drag and drop without any coding. So let's see how we can do this. And before creating the pop-up, let me show you a quick demo update. So this is the form that we will be creating in this video. As you can see, you can change the text, the image, background, and the form fields, the button, color, and so on. You can also change the text if you need. And obviously you can access this form with a button click by scrolling instantly and so on. So let's see how we can create this. So for creating a pop-up, we will use this plugin, which is MailChimp subscribe form. This is a opt-in form builder, a pop-up builder with which you can create your form easily. So you can go to the link in the description, you can just copy its name and then go back to your WordPress dashboard. Here you can go to plugins and click on add new and search for that plugin, and you will see this plugin. This is by Plugin Ops. So just install this. And once you activate the plugin, this will take you to its dashboard. So here you can visit its dashboard. Here you can see your form submission. After someone submit a form, you will see it over here. And here you can create campaigns, which we will see later in this video. Now to create a pop-up, you can click on add new. And here you can select an inline pop-up, which you can display as a normal widget like in sidebar, inside your text, and so on. Or you can choose a pop-up which will hide the entire website and will show a pop-up. You can display a bar like a cookie bar, and you can also set a plugin which will be on the right or the left side and your website will be visible. You can also choose a full page form and a sidebar form, and here you can choose any of the form that you want. So for example, I need a pop-up form, so I'll select this. And this will load some templates which are ready-made templates that I can use, I can customize, and so on. So let's see and choose a simple one. So let's use this one. You can use any of these. I'll select this and we'll click next. Or let's choose this one. Then click next. And here you can write your pop-up name, for example, newsletter. And then you can open the editor to customize this. And here, as you can see, everything is just by drag and drop. If you want to change the image, you can click on this. And you can upload your own image. For now, this is fine. And you can change this text. So just click on this edit widget. And here you can write your own text. Now this is some HTML coding, but you need to change only this text. Subscribe today. And you can also change this text. Click on this and you can change it over here. Join our news. And I'm now changing this just to make the video short. And if you want to customize the form, you can click on edit form. And here you can make changes to the name field, like you can change its type, its label, field name, placeholder, and so on. And you can make this required or not. So I'll make this required. And the width is default, and so on. You can change all of these options according to your need. If you want to make changes to the email field, you can explore this. And you can change its type, text, placeholder, and so on. You can also set a preset value. Now if you want, you can style this field. For example, I want to change the text color, the border color, and so on. Then I'll go to field style, and here I can choose a medium field, small and large. This is the gap, vertical and horizontal gap, which is between the fields. And if you want to display the label, you can select yes. This will display the labels. I don't need this, so I'll just say no. The label color is the color of the label, which we just hide. And this is the label font size. So the text font size, you can change it over here. You can also change the text color. Now let's see if we can change this to a little gray color. So now you can see this look like a placeholder text, so that is fine. You can also change the font family, the background color, border color, and so on. You can also change the border width, corner radius, and so on. Let's go to the button style. Here you can change this text, for example, subscribe now. And you can change the button size, so I'll choose medium or small. This is the vertical gap, so I'll write pipe just to move it down. And this is the background color, which is fine. I think this is according to my website here, and this is fine. Okay, and now you can change the text color an hour. So let's change this just to show you. As you can see, the color is changing. Okay, and the font size, let's make it letter small. Border color and so on. And all of these options are dependent on you, how you want your button. You can style it over here. And this is the most important one, which is the integration. You can also enable your email notification, your MailChimp, and you can do the setting according to that. And you can also enable Google reCAPTCHA. Let's see one by one. So for enabling MailChimp, you can select yes here to enable this. Then you will have to write your list ID and your API key. If you don't have these, then you can log into your MailChimp account and you can get your API key. Let me show you very quickly. And this is the MailChimp account. Here you can go to your account and you can go to extras, and then you can scroll down, and here you will find your API key. If you don't have an API key, you can click on create a key and you will be able to create an API key like this. You can just copy this, then go to its setting again. You can write your API key here, and same goes for the list ID. I already have this. Just to make the video very short, I'll copy this and will paste it over here. You can also enable double opt-in, but I don't need this. You can write some tags if you want, and if you scroll down you will see email notification. Now if you want to send the email notification if someone fill up this form, then you can do it easily by filling this. So the form name is this one. I can change this, newsletter, and you can write your domain name to identify this inside your inbox, and email too. So I'll write the email of the owner, and you can leave this from email address empty. This is the subject. Again I'll write this, and email form name, I'll write the same name. The email format, so you can choose a plain text or an HTML. Allow duplicates. Now if someone fill up this form once and you want them to put it again, then you can allow, but I don't need this, so I'll just say no. And require all integration, so select this and click yes, and that's it. That is how you can set your email notification. You can close this, and if you want to display Google CAPTCHA here, then you can click this, and here you can enable this. Then you will have to put your site key and secret key. Don't waste time on this. This is very simple. You just need to copy these keys from your Google account and then paste it over here, and that is how you can create the pop-up. This is the preview of the form, and if you want to display this, then you can go to its status. You can click on publish, and here you can decide the placement. So if you want to display this on entire website, you can click on this. You can select specific pages, posts, or you can select categories if you want. Now for now I need this to be displayed on the home page only, so I'll click this and show, so you can show this instantly or with a delay, scroll upon exit or on click. So again, this is depending on you that how you want this to be appear. Now for now let's choose none, and we will see this instantly for the sake of this video. So entrance animation, this is none. We can choose any type of animation. I'll choose paid and up, and exit animations. So let's fade it down, or let's fade out, and hide on any type of device. So if you want to hide this on desktop, tablet or phone, you can select that device over here. I want this to be displayed on each device, so let's leave this. And this is a custom shortcode for this plugin, for this pop-up. If you want to display this with a shortcode, then you can copy its code and you can place that anywhere you want. This is the overlay. So this is the overlay behind the form. As you can see, if I want, I can change this and hide on close button. So yes, we want this to be hidden. Hide on overlay click. Hide on overlay click. So if someone click outside of this form, then this will be hidden. I like this, so I'll just enable this. Let's close this, and here you can control your cookies. So as you can see, hide campaign after visitor closes opt-in. So if someone closed this opt-in once, then after how much days you want this back to that specific user, you can decide it over here. So after conversion, you can display it to 30 days later, and after hide, you can display this again after 1 hour, or you can choose 3 hours, 4 hours, and so on. So again, this is depending on you. Let's make this 12 hours. And that's it. That is how you can create this form. One more thing is, inside advanced option, you can change the widget background like this. You can upload a background image, and widget display option, you can animate the widget. You can choose a custom widget class for this, which you can style with your own CSS. You can also choose the widget margin and padding. So these are some settings that are not necessary for this video. And inside widget block, you can simply change the look of the form. So for example, you want this one, then you can click on use, and you will get this form over here. This is just to quickly change your form look. As you can see, this is a contact form, this is a long contact form, and so on. Again, you can decide this according to your need. And after you finish, you can simply click on publish. And the form will be published. Now let's check this. So I'll visit my website. And as you can see, we got that pop-up. I can fill up this, and then I can subscribe now. And let's test this out. So I'll write test, and as you can see, we have changed the colors. So let's make this visible. I'll do this later, okay? And I'll write an email, for example, test email, and we'll click on subscribe now. The form was sent successfully. So this is how, and as you can see, the form disappear. So this was how you can create a pop-up form inside your WordPress website. Let's refresh this again. So this was how you can create a MailChimp pop-up or a normal form inside your WordPress website for free. I hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.